Hello, everybody. So today we have webinar about tap to pay and revolution in contactless payments. My name is Dennis. Let me introduce myself. I'm a bio lead in Dash Devs. I have experience more than 8 years in mobile development, both Android and iOS, and I have developed a lot of different applications in different spheres, and some of them are fintech. That's why I want to show you information about tap to pay. We in Dash Devs, we have implemented a lot of different applications which relates to fintech. It's approximately more than 45 different projects. We have expertise more than 12 years in fintech development. We integrated more than 75 vendors during our work, and we provide one white label solution. So let's proceed to tap to pay. And I want to start from a small introduction in what we have on contactless payment market for now. So let's make some overview. The United States contactless payment market has been experiencing substantial growth, reflecting broader trends in consumer preferences and technological advancements. As of 2022, the United States contactless payment market is showing a compound annual growth of 18 and 8% projected through 2030. In terms of types of contactless payments, the market can be segmented in two primary categories, card-based payments and smartphone-based payments. In 2022, in 2020, the market size was approximately 5.5 billion. And in 2021, it grew to around 6.6 billion, marking a noticeable increase in just 1 year. In period from 2022 to 2030, given the current CAGR, we can expect consistent, significant growth in both segments over this period. So if we talk about card payments, card-based payments have served as a foundation for contactless transactions in the United States. This method includes transactions made using contactless credit, debit cards, where users can simply tap their card on a payment terminal to initiate a transaction. While card-based payments are growing, their rate of adoption might be gradually eclipsed by smartphone-based payments due to the latter's added functionalities and convenience. Smartphone-based payments, on the other hand, particularly through platforms like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, are skyrocketing in popularity. Smartphone-based transactions offer greater security features, including biometric verifications like fingerprints or facial recognition, and also provide seamless integration with other mobile services. With smartphones becoming ubiquitous and more consumers trusting digital wallets, we can expect this segment to lead market growth to 2030. So the market statistics point towards an undeniable reality. Contactless payments are not just a fad, they are the future. Businesses and consumers contactless payments via mobile devices are becoming a complete choice for quick and secure transactions. So let's proceed to the evolution of global mobile payments. So as you can see, the global mobile payments market is on a trajectory of rapid growth and transformation. According to the market research, this industry is expected to balloon to an astounding, like 75 and 412 millions by 2027. This remarkable growth is driven by a burgeoning mobile user audience and involving technologies that are constantly redefining how we acquire goods and services. So let's look on key statistics. So if we talk about CAGR 2022 to 2027, the market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 19.07 percentages from 2022 to 2027. It's a huge growth. The growth momentum is accelerating, indicated that not only is the market growing, but the rate of growth is also increasing. Specifically, the year-over-year growth rate for 2023 is expected to be 20.49 percentages. The market size has seen tremendous growth over the last few years. In 2017, it was at like more than 20,000 millions. Fast forward to 2022, and we see a massive leap with forecast for 2027 painting an even more lucrative picture. So what is driving this growth? The first one is expanding mobile user base. With more people acquiring smartphones, the audience for mobile payments is rapidly increasing. The second one, technological advancements. The evolution of mobile payments technologies, like NFC and biometric security, is making transactions quicker and safer, thereby encouraging more users to adopt mobile payments. In a shift in consumer behavior, leading to a preference for mobile transactions over traditional payment methods. So, and the last one is global reach. The ease of making international transactions through mobile payment platforms is an additional factor boosting its adoption. So, the global mobile payments market is more vibrant than ever, driven by technological innovations, changes in consumer preferences, and the exponential growth of mobile users, by the way. Businesses that adapt to this changing landscape will not only be keeping pace with market trends, but setting themselves up for unprecedented success. So we see what we have on market. So right now we can continue to tap to pay. So let's dive straight into the main topic. Tap to pay is a contactless payment method that allows customers to simply tap their smartphones, smartwatches, or cards on a compatible point-of-sale terminal to complete a transaction. This technology leverages near-field communication, well known as NFC, to transmit data between the two devices when they are within a few centimeters of each other. So, what are core features for Tap to Pay? It's contactless payment. The feature enables you to make a payment simply by tapping your payment device near a compatible payment terminal. There is no need to swipe or insert a card or physically exchange cash. The next one utilizes near-field communication, NFC. At the heart of Tap to Pay is NFC technology, which allows for the secure transfer of payment information over short distance, usually a few centimeters. This is what enables the tap in Tap to Pay. The next one is device compatibility. Tap to Pay is not just limited to smartphones. It is also compatible with smartwatches, and NFC-enabled debit or credit card. It means you have multiple options for how you choose to pay. So, why tap to pay? We have some advantages. The first one is speed. Transactions are incredibly fast, usually taking just a few seconds, thereby reducing the time you spend at the checkout. Convenience. No need to carry cash or multiple cards. Your smartphone or smartwatches can hold all your payment methods securely. And security. Tap-to-pay methods often employ advanced security measures like tokenization, where your actual card number is replaced by a unique digital identifier, reducing the risk of card information theft. As we move towards a more digital and interconnected world, tap-to-pay stands out as an exceptionally user-friendly and secure payment method. And it caters to the demand for quick, easy transactions without compromising on security, making it a popular choice for modern consumers. So, and how tap-to-pay benefit for businesses? Let's take a look. For businesses, there are some interesting points. The first one is streamlined operations. Tap-to-pay expedites the checkout process, allowing you to handle more transactions in a shorter amount of time. This increases your sales velocity and, consequently, your revenue. Enhanced customer experience is the second point. So, by reducing wait times and long lines, Tap-to-Pay makes the shopping experience far more enjoyable for your customers. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers, as you know. So, the next one, improved hygiene. In a post-pandemic world, cleanliness is more important than ever. Tap-to-Pay is contactless method, minimizing the need for physical contact between your staff and customers. So, and the last one is real-time reporting. When integrated with sophisticated POS systems, Tap-to-Pay can offer real-time insights into customer behavior, inventory turnover, and more, enabling data-driven decision-making. So, and why customers love Tap-to-Pay? The first one, unmatched convenience. The beauty of Tap-to-Pay lies on its convenience. Customers no longer need to fumble around with cash or cards. A simple tap of their smartphone or smartwatch and the transaction is complete. Replace bulky wallets. Woohoo! With Tap-to-Pay. The need to carry around a bulky wallet filled with various cards is eliminated. Everything can be stored securely on your smartphone. The next one is quick and effortless transactions. The speed of Tap-to-Pay is a huge boon. Within seconds, the payment is made, the receipt is generated, and the customer is on their way. Enhanced security. Tap-to-Pay methods often use advanced encryption and tokenization techniques, as we said, so to secure transactions, making customers feel more comfortable using this payment method. So, the next time you consider upgrading your payment methods, remember that Tap-to-Pay isn't just a fancy tech gimmick. It's a strategic business tool that can save you time, increase your sales, and significantly enhance the customer experience. So, why Tap-to-Pay stands out? Because like these payments faster than cash or just card payments. No more fumbling for change. We have all been there waiting impatiently as someone digs through their wallet or pulse to find exact change. With tap to pay, these moments are history, a simple tap, and voila, the transaction is complete. No more swipes or pins code. Card payment have speed up the payment process to an extent, but they still require swiping or inserting the card and entering a PIN. Tap to pay eliminates these extra steps. More efficient than checks, by the way. We have immediate processing. Checks can take days to clear, tying up your cash flow. Tap to pay is instantaneous, enhancing your liquidity. Reduced risk. Unlike checks, which can bounce, tap to pay is guaranteed payment method, reducing financial risks. And if we talk about QR codes, so tap to pay is quicker and simpler. No camera required. QR codes require you to open your camera or a specific app, focus, and then confirm the transaction. Tap to pay removes these additional steps. A tap is all it takes. Universal usability. While QR codes have gained popularity, not everyone is familiar with how to use them. Tap to pay offers a more intuitive, user-friendly experience. So, tap to pay isn't just another payment method, it's a leap forward. It's faster than cash, more efficient than checks, and simpler than QR codes. It's a modern solution for our new modern problems, streamlining transactions for both customers and for businesses. So, why we are using tap to pay on iPhones? Let's talk a little bit about iPhones. So, if we take a look on iPhone's market, iPhone markets share around the world, and they have worldwide influence. iPhones have a substantial presence around the globe. Whether we talk about North America, Europe, Asia, iPhones are consistently a popular choice. Apple's consistent innovation and customer-centric approach have led to significant market share and growth year over year. From teens to seniors, it seems everyone wants to an iPhone. So, alliance with device customer already use. Customer already familiar with iPhones. Many of your customers already use iPhones. Incorporating tap to pay on this platform naturally aligns with devices that are already comfortable to use. So the next point is seamless integration. Tap to pay with iPhone is an intuitive extension of what customers are already doing daily with their devices, making the transaction only frictionless. The next one is enhances customer satisfaction and engagement. So we reduce on iPhone, reducing friction points. Because iPhones are so user-friendly and familiar, customers are more likely to use tap to pay services on them. This reduces friction at the point of purchase and boosts overall customer satisfaction. So, and here we improving customer engagement with iPhone. We all know an engaged customer is a happy customer. Offering a familiar yet innovative payment method like tap to pay can significantly increase customer engagement levels. And if you talk about geographic, as I said previously, the chart shows that iPhone adoption isn't confined to one region. From North America to Africa, iPhones are everywhere with different capacity in each regions. But as we see in North America and in Europe, a big part of iPhones are here. So the iPhones massive popularity presents us an immense opportunity for businesses to leverage. Tap to pay on iPhones isn't just a payment method. It's a customer satisfaction tool, and it can be like a business strategy. And with on iPhones, it's extensive market penetration and give you a global opportunity. So then why use iPhone for tap to pay, and why tap to pay on iPhone? So this feature is developed for iPhone directly, by the way, by Apple. So let's dive deeper into the world of contactless payments. It's crucial to understand why the iPhones stand as an exceptional tool and for our tap to pay service. So here is some keys. The first one is strong security. We know that iPhones super secure devices. The first one is encryption. One of the strongest suits of the iPhone is its commitment to user security. Every transaction made using tap to pay on iPhone is encrypted, ensuring that your customers' sensitive data is handled with the best security features at all. Apple security element is the second point. iPhones come equipped with a secure element, a special chip that security stores the device-specific account number, enhancing transaction security even further. So, on iPhone, intuitive user interface, user-friendly. Apple has always been about creating an intuitive, simple, and engaging user interface. Tap to pay on iPhone makes the payment process seamless, mirroring the ease with which user navigates their iPhones usually daily. So, and we have quick access. Features like Face ID and Touch ID mean transactions are quick and secure, adding another layer of convenience for the customer and speed to the transaction process. So, and if we talk about significant market share, so this is popular choice. As we see, iPhone holds a significant market share globally. And if we talk about align with customer preferences, given the iPhone's market share, adopting tap to pay on iPhone means you're aligning your businesses with a platform that your customers already know and trust. So let's continue. Let's take a look deeper what features and advantages we have on iPhone and tap to pay. So the first one is security and privacy. Let's deep dive here. Every transaction is encrypted and uniquely coded. With iPhone, every tap to pay transaction goes through an encryption process, adding a layer of security that's second to one. Unique device account number. Instead of using your actual card number, the iPhone generates a unique device account number, securely stored in a special chip provided by Apple. This adds an additional layer of privacy and security. And the next point about security and privacy, transaction-specific dynamic security code. Each transaction also generates a unique one-time use code, ensuring that your payment information can be used again. This multi-layered security approach makes the iPhone one of the safest platforms for contactless payments. The next advantage, effortless user experience. So, simplicity and ease of use. iPhones are designed with the user in mind. The tap to pay feature upholds this commitment to simplicity. Intuitive payment management. From setting up to transaction history, everything is managed with the intuitive interface of your device. Few taps to complete a transaction. It literally takes just a few taps to complete a payment, streamlining the whole checkout process. The next advantage, it's like a revolution in contactless payment. So, no need for extra hardware. The phone becomes an all-in-one payment system. Gone are the days of multiple devices and clunky terminals. Ideal for mobile businesses. Whether you are running a food truck, a pop-up shop, or multiple brick-and-mortar locations, all you need is an iPhone to accept the payments. Reduced investment. This eliminates the need for investing in separate hardware, significantly lowering your upfront costs. And the next point is enhanced customer experience. The ease and security of tap to pay on iPhone elevates the customer experience to a whole new level, by the way. So, if you're looking for a contactless payment, a solution that is secure, efficient, and customer-friendly, then the tap to pay on iPhone feature is like your answer here. Let's talk about security measures and customer privacy even more deeper. So, in today's digital age, security and privacy are more than just buzzwords, they're necessities. And when it comes to tap to pay on iPhone, Apple has left no stone unturned in ensuring both. Let's dive into the specifics. Unparalleled security measures is the first one. We not store it on device or Apple server. Apple never stores your actual car number on your device or their servers, putting a major roadblock for potential fraudsters. Encrypted in the secure element. So, a unique device account number is created for each transaction, encrypted, and securely stored in a specialized chip known as the secure element. We talk about it. Transaction-specific dynamic code. Each tap-to-pay transaction generates a unique dynamic security code, which is necessary for the transaction and cannot be used again. So, the next one is commitment to customer privacy. Card numbers not shared with merchants. During the transaction, only the unique device account number, which we talked previously, and the transaction-specific code are sent to the merchant, ensuring your card information remains confidential. And the last one, but not the least, business responsibility. Safeguarding customer transactions. It's like interesting point. Regular updates. You should make sure you keep your iPhones and applications up to date. Software updates often include important security patches. Strong authentication measures. Utilize the iPhone's Face ID or Touch ID on previous devices features to add an extra layer of security. This ensures that even if someone has your device, they can't execute a payment without your facial or fingerprint authentication, biometry, as we know. So, employee training. Ensure your staff is adequately trained to handle the device securely. They should be aware of potential security threats and how to report them. And secure network. Always ensure that transactions occur over secure networks. Public Wi-Fi can expose your transaction to vulnerabilities. So, the multiple layers of security, from encryption to unique transaction codes, ensure a fortified payment system. Additionally, businesses have their own role to play in maintaining this security through regular updates, tough trading, and network security. Let's go next. So, if we talk about integration with tap-to-pay and with some vendors, I want to talk a little bit about Stripe. So, we talk a lot about the advantages that come with using tap-to-pay and using tap-to-pay iPhone, but now let's discuss a powerful OLE that can take those benefits to the next level. It's Stripe. So the first one is like, as usual, security, elevated security measures. So on Stripe key strength, it is commitment to security. Stripe complies with the highest industry standards, encrypting every transaction. When you integrate tap-to-pay with Stripe, this encryption adds an extra layer of protection that serves as a fortress around your transactions. With Stripe, your business isn't just adopting a payment gateway, you're adopting peace of mind. The next one is unbeatable customer experience. So we all know how much customer satisfaction can impact a business. Stripe's top-of-the-line processing capabilities work in synergy with iPhone's tap-to-pay. The result, checkout process smooth, it will leave your customers smiling. The experience is intuitive, quick, and unobtrusive, characteristics that can turn first-time buyers into loyal customers. So, one point at the end about Stripe. So real-time insights for data-driven decisions. Knowing your business in real time is not a luxury, it's a necessity for scaling. Stripe's dashboard is your window to a plethora of data about your sales, customer behavior, and more. The insights are immediate, giving you the power to make data-driven decisions on fly. So integrating tap-to-pay with Stripe isn't just technological upgrade. It's a strategic move that levels up your security, enhances customer satisfaction, and empowers you with real-time data for smarter business decisions. So let's talk about integration in your business ecosystem. How to integrate and what is keys for integration tap-to-pay for business. So we have talked about advantages of tap-to-pay and the extra edge that comes with integrated it with Stripe. So let's talk about what it brings to business ecosystem. So the first one is compatibility key. Compatibility with existing systems. One of the biggest concerns with any new technology is how well it will play with your existing systems. The good news is that tap-to-pay is designed with compatibility in mind. Whether you have an established point of sale, POS, system, or are a new startup, tap-to-pay can be easily integrated into your current infrastructure. The next point is real-time transaction recording. Real-time transaction recording, it's like the era of manual record keeping is over. When tap-to-pay is part of your business, every transaction is recorded in real time. This not only reduces the likelihood of human error, but also aids in auditing and accounting. The next point is smart inventory management. In today's competitive environment, being out of stock can mean losing a customer for good. With Tap to Pay, your inventory is updated in real time every time a sale is made. This provides you with valuable data that can be used for smart inventory planning. The next point is know your customer. So understanding your customer's behavior is crucial in tailoring your offering and service. Tap to Pay can capture valuable data at the point of sale, from the type of products purchased to spending patterns, arming you with actionable insights for future business decisions. The ultimate impact is the next point. But what does all this mean for you and your customers? What we talked previously. In a nutshell, it means a faster, more efficient, and more satisfying experience all around. And in today's fast-paced world, this can make the difference between a customer who visits once and a customer who keeps coming back to you, to your business. So, Tap to Pay is like a powerful tool that integrates with various aspects of your business, and it streamlines operations, offer invaluable real-time data, and elevates the customer experience. So let's continue with some study case which we have in Dash Devs. We have implemented like innovative payment application. So like a business wanted to move beyond the traditional payment methods and adopt a more flexible approach. So that's why it was choose a cutting-edge application that turns the phone into a terminal for payments, allowing customer to simply tap their cards or smartphones to complete a transaction. So that's why we use Tap to Pay here. But that's not all. Like this application also introduced a pay by link feature, allowing business to send a secure payment link to customer. But the interesting thing was about Tap to Pay integration. So furthermore, the application offered the functionality to create and send invoices directly to recipients, making billing and record keeping more efficient. So with this integration of Tap to Pay for iOS, for iPhone, what results we get? So it's like approximately 27% increase in customer satisfaction due to the very convenient payments option. And they mostly prefer to use Tap to Pay, by the way. And it's like approximately 16% reduction in administrative time spent on invoicing and payment processing, and like significant enhancement in the company's overall payment security. So this case exemplifies how to Tap to Pay on can be customized to cater to specific business needs. It's not just a point of sale solution, but a versatile platform that can align with various aspects of business operations. So I talk about these numbers and you can see them and what we get to use Tap to Pay in this application. So let's continue and summarize what we know today about Tap to Pay. So Tap to Pay can transform your business in modern way. So the first point which I want to summarize, it's like tap to pay simplifying the complex things, simplifies the payment process. Gone are the days of cumbersome cash registers, clunky cards, readers, and complex payment methods. With tap to pay, transactions are as simple as a single tap, fast, smooth, and hassle-free. So, tap to pay opens new doors. Tap to pay is not just for your brick and mortar locations. It's a scalable solution that is ideal for mobile businesses, pop-up shops, or even selling at events. Its versatility offers new avenues to engage customers and generate revenue. Tap to pay provide speed as the new currency. So it speeds up transactions. As we know, time is money, and with tap to pay, you save both. The speed of transaction can significantly reduce queues and waiting times, creating a better shopping experience that can translate into higher customer retention rates. The next point is one size fits all. So, whether you're a cozy coffee shop or a sprawling supermarket, tap to pay is designed to fit diverse business models and sizes. Its adaptability makes it a universal option. The next point is efficiency. So tap to pay provide efficiency boost. Think about it. Speedier transactions mean more transactions, which translates to increased revenue. Additionally, tap to pay seamlessly integrates with your existing systems to streamline inventory and financial tracking. The next one is security. Security is really a needed feature when we talk about some transactions. So with stringent security protocols, tap to pay offer peace of mind along with speed. It's a winning combination that reassures both the customer and the business owner. The next point, convenience. So convenient for customers. In today's competitive market, a convenient customer experience can be your biggest differentiator. Tap to pay offers an unmatched convenience that can tip the scales in your favor. And the last point, streamlining operations. With tap to pay, every aspect of your operations, from inventory management to customer engagement, becomes more efficient. It's like adding a supercharger to your business engine. So summarize, like tap to pay is a shift towards a future that is more efficient, more secure, and infinitely more convenient for everyone involved. So, thank you for attention. And if you have any questions, you can contact with us by these QR codes.